What is up guys, and welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video I will show you how you can recover your deleted photos and videos on Instagram. So let's start this video by launching the Instagram app. When the app launches, you have to go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on bottom right corner. Now I'll just quickly delete a photo from my profile. And here you can see that the message says you can easily restore this post from the settings, and you can restore it within 30 days. After that, it will be permanently deleted. So I'll just quickly delete this post right away. Now go back to your profile. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner and then tap on settings. Now tap on account and then scroll down and tap on recently deleted, and you will see your deleted post here. Now tap on that. Now tap on the three dots of the post and then tap on restore. Then tap on restore again. If you're doing it for the first time, then you have to verify your phone number or email. I'll continue with phone number. Now a 6-digit code will be sent to your phone number. Now I'll just quickly type in the code and then tap on confirm. Now tap on the three dots of the post again and then tap on restore and tap restore again, and the post will be restored to your profile, and you'll be able to see that post on your profile again. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one.